I'm sitting pretty in this, but I know you gotta put in them hours. I'ma make it harder.
Nice, Monty. Let's give it a few more seconds. I know you're feeling a bit tired, but keep going, guys. Keep going. Nice one. Now in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, guys. Alright, so you can see the balloons of 50, of 55. Please follow if that is the pace that you're aiming for today. Sub 1 hour, we have Boom Sabugo, Neo Chai, and Eric Galaero. There we go.
Mga bangga, lapit na akong matapos for 10K. Nag-start kami 5 AM. Ang oras ngayon ano na, magsi-6 na. Isang oras na rin ako. Malapit na tayo sa finishing line.
The NAIA X will soon be accessible from the Tramo flyover through an elevated viaduct.